Welcome to the 5th video of this 6-part series teaching you how to create and memorize reports on QuickBooks effectively and efficiently. Open up the 4th report that you previously memorized. This report is different from all the rest. It lists total charges for the period per vendor. We will print them only for the telephone accounts, but we're going to be different with this account and report the last 2 years by quarter, just to show you what that might do. So click Customize Reports, and for the Dates field, make it so you can view the last 2 years, and display the columns by quarter, and the rows by vendor. Click Filters, Multiple Accounts, and check off all the telephone accounts. Click OK, and click OK again to view your report. Then click Memorize, and replace the report you currently have. Then memorize it again into the CSR group after renaming it to CSR 52950. Now on to the last report we memorized. We use this report to manage our cash to see if we need to transfer from our bank loan or if we can reduce the loan. The report covers the current month and the first 12 days of the following month. By the 12th, we will have paid our rent and our 2 Visa payments. We pay very few bills using checks. We pay much more using TelePay and all online purchases using Visa. We have the bank debit and our bank account automatically on the due date, so we are certain never to pay late and as a result pay interest charges. We're going to prepare one report. We may have to blur out some of the transactions and balances. Load up the last report you previously memorized. Click Customize Report. Then in the Display tab, get rid of all the columns that aren't important. We don't need to see adjustments, class, or split. Head over to the Filter section, select Multiple Accounts, and check off all the important accounts. Click OK. Then head over to the Header/Footer section, and for the subtitle, key in Date equals current month plus 12 days of next month. The default subtitles for most reports will be the ending date. We will override this date at times. Lastly, head over to the Fonts and Numbers section, select Column Labels, and bold them. Do the same thing for the row labels. When it asks you if you'd like to change all related fonts, select No. Click OK. Now we're almost done with this report. All we need to do is adjust our column labels. Type can be a bit narrower. Make memo wider. A few adjustments later, we're here. Now that we have completed the report, we can memorize it and replace the previous report. To look at the reports that are available within QuickBooks, click Reports. Below are 18 choices. Do not click Report Center unless you have a very fast computer and want to wait for the reports to load. The Report Center gives you a graphic overview of all the reports in QuickBooks. They're the same 18 categories with the same choices when you click Reports. The Report Center also has a tab for Memorized, Favorite, and Recent Reports. The QuickBooks Statement Writer will be covered in a separate set of tips. We encourage you to click Company and Financial and view the automatic reports that QuickBooks has available. Please continue on to the next video in this tutorial series for creating and memorizing reports.